Alright guys, so how's she going today? So it's actually above freezing. Things are actually melting. The driveway was pretty damn icy this morning. Gonna take Big Red out for a spin, and I gotta check my gaming cameras. I had Big Red on the heater for about an hour and a half, even though I don't think he needed it, but I don't think it's gotten quite warmed up yet. Oh yeah, he's plenty hot. And I don't see any fresh oil, so yeah, the engine may be hot, but the gearboxes are not. So I usually take it easy for a few minutes, let the gearboxes warm up. So Big Red's still kind of straight pipe, but he's not as bad though. So yeah, it's supposed to be nice for the next couple of days, but unfortunately starting Monday night they're talking a pretty bad snowstorm, so we'll see if we get anything out of it. Could actually be the last time I get out in this field. I don't know. We had a little bit of a snow a few days ago, but I see it didn't do much to my trails. But I think after that big snowstorm, I don't know if I'll be getting back down here or not. Covered him a little bit, nothing too bad. Kind of a little drift there, I think. There's been a couple of snowcatters going through here, of course, trespassing like they always would. That's never nothing new. Kind of spinning out there. Of course, I don't have the four-wheel drive on, but usually I can get around pretty good without it, so. afraid I may not get back down here anymore. We get that. They're talking. They don't really even know them damn selves, but they were saying some people could see up to 2 feet of snow, but I don't know. I don't know. I don't think we'll be in that, but you know how it goes. So I might test the snowblower when I get home just to make sure. Just to make sure it's alright, not froze up again. It wouldn't be froze up today, but you never know. I haven't been out in a while, so figured now would be the time to do it, I guess. Before we get trapped in here. And I don't think the damn river's froze up yet. Well, it's gotta be, because look at the deer tracks. Now, there's been snowcatters on it, so yeah, it can't be all that froze up then, or too unthawed. I can see deer tracks going right across. It's open down there though a little bit. The whole thing's not froze yet. I don't think I'd want to come down here with my snowcat. Just, you know, seeing that, you don't know where exactly it's froze. I think the deer definitely like it though, because they can go over to Minnesota or North Dakota and they can just walk right across the field and you know, they're not trapped here. So, but yeah, it's kind of interesting, I guess, to see that it's going to be on thawing some today because it's just not cold enough. But they are talking that big snowstorm, so if we could get up to 2 feet, I guess kind of just depending, you know, where you live, but I don't know. Yeah, I kind of want the snow because we need it for the hay, but yeah, I don't really want it because I don't want to go and snow blow it. I guess you win some, you lose some, I guess. That's how it goes. But whatever. I know back in the day I used to kind of live stream that stuff, the snowstorms and the severe storms, but we just don't get them like we used to. So I guess if anybody wants a live stream of supposedly this big bad snowstorm, I guess let me know, but I don't know if it'll be that bad. It might snow a little bit, but I guess they won't know until it's here. And they're saying Monday night. They put the warnings out Saturday. They were talking about it Friday, but then Saturday they put out the alerts and everything. I guess we'll just have to wait and see, I guess. sucks that we're going to lose it though. That's kind of why I want to get a Snowcat. It should be a lot better. It's pretty damn hard to get them things stuck in the middle of winter. My trail was over there, but I'm going to make it over here now because I see grass poking through. She's a little deep though. Sunday today, so that's why there's not too much for traffic, but yet there's traffic. That ditch was plumb full of snow. I don't know if you guys saw that or not, but I don't know if I was going to make it through that. That's where wide open throttle requires. That's where you have to do it, is places like that. Deep spot. Oh yeah, typical snowcatter, you know, trespassing. That's all they're good for doing, is being assholes. You know, so it looks like they go over there, but can't say they go to that house, but they probably do. But I don't know, we talked to that guy, he said he wouldn't come down here anymore, so I don't know. Yeah, I'm not going to drive down here. You know, I'd like to continue to use that trail, but I know the snow's probably deeper there. So I just want to see what the river looks like over here. Now if I had a Snowcat, then I could just Snowcat down here. Get bigger at kind of a break anyway. So I don't know what's going on here. Oh yeah, bigger. I mean, you see grass, but the problem is this grass, you know, hasn't been cut in a while, so you know, it looks like shit. So I think the snow is actually a little thicker. So yeah, they mowed this I think just before the snow fell. So wish they would come and do it more often, because this gets so thick with shit, you know, you can't get down here. So looks like he just went around, which whatever. There used to be a trail in here you could. Oh yeah. Well, there's been somebody Snowcat in here. Oh, it looks like they were figuring out the ice. See, like right there, when you can see through it, I don't think I want that. I wouldn't want to deal with that. And check this out. The snowcatter, there's been a few of them. They go right down here, and yeah, they got big balls for doing that. I don't think I could ever do that. It looks, I don't know, it looks worse here than there, but I don't think I'd still want to do it. There's safer areas where you can get down into here, but yeah. I guess those people have many more years of experience than I do, because I don't own a snowcat, so. But yeah, and they go right up over there. But yeah, I don't think I'd want to do it. I wouldn't even want to be on the river, especially seeing that. You know, that's just crazy. Because it looks like you can almost see right through the fucking shit, you know. It's like you see that, well then it's probably not that freaking froze. You know, and if you're riding a snowcat that's, let's say, 400 pounds, and you're another 260 like I am, you know, who knows if that ice can even hold that amount of weight. They tell you how many inches of ice it requires to hold your body weight, and then the machine and whatever else, but no, thank you. So I don't know, it's fucking crazy. So, but I don't know if we'll get that snow or not. If we do, well, it'll be who knows how much, but I don't want 2 feet, because that's just a stupid, ridiculous amount, and we don't need it. Yeah, we need more snow, but you know, for the hay. But if we got 2 feet, yeah, it'd be good for the field, I guess, but then I won't be able to get down here with Big Red anymore. Depending on if the stuff is light. If it's light, it might just blow across the field and go up against the dike and stay there. So it could be pretty bare out here, but I don't know. So top of the snow's getting kind of icy. Fucking dry race this morning. Fucking snowcatters, eh? What the winds will do.